Okay, CaseyMae, so you got almost all your presents.
Wait, Daddy, how do you do this?
Just come on.
No. Hold on.
Hold on. Go over there. Go sit over there. Come over here. Go sit over there.
Come on. I'm coming with you. Come on.
Oh, wait. Do you want to come over here?
Giving it to you. Hold
Do you
on.
want to come over here and open this? Hold on. Let's see what it looks like. Hold on. Okay. Rip. You take the bow
Have
off.
the bow? Thank you.
Rip it open.
Let me get a picture. Oh, where's my camera? What is that?
Whose car is that?
Mine.
That's some car, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Pull it all off. Daddy put maybe a little too much tape on this side. Okay.
Do you want to get in?
No, one.
I'm helping
Help
you.
her.
Hold on.
Okay, and Mommy's gonna help you.
Well, CaseyMae, Daddy, you want to help her get in?
Hold
her
on, come over
first
here and
car?
record it. Yeah, come over here and record it,
Okay,
please.
Daddy's gonna help you get in your first car, okay?
Come here.
Hold on. CaseyMae,
Look at
look at me. She won't stop.
I'm not doing
Oh.
anything. Come over here.
Look at this, me and me.
Watch this. Okay, ready? We gotta put you in here.
CaseyMae, Daddy's gonna put you in your first car.
Look at this. Get inside. Right, and sit down. Now you gotta put your seatbelt on because that's safe.
Look at me.
Put your seatbelt on. Oh yeah, I left the plastic on just in case. And then this is called a 5-point harness, and this was made for safety. So we need to wear that, right? Always wear our
Seatbelt.
seatbelt. Always. Okay, now wait a minute.
Look at me.
I want you to do one thing for me. I want you to hit this red button right there.
This volume's really loud.
The car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.
CaseyMae.
What the heck?
Hi.
I need you to do one more thing for me. See this lever right here? Push it up.
Wow.
Just push it up once. Just push it up and leave it. Ah, you shut it off. Shut the car.
Wow.
Fasten your seatbelt. What is that?
That is your car talking to you, and guess what else it does? It's got all stuff over here. Hit the button. Look at this. We can play music. You got your own little iPad in here. Could you believe it?
Wow.
What? Are you kidding me?
Wow. It works, she says. It works.
All by itself.
No, it doesn't work.
Wow.
It does?
Yes, it do.
I pressed the button.
Whoa.
I don't know where the remote control is.
How does it go backwards?
You got to put it in reverse.
I love you.
All right, now press on it
Reverse. Now
again.
hit the button again.
Hit your foot.
No, not this button. This has to stay on.
The car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Wait, slow down.
Laugh again.
No, don't do that. No, wait, don't go anywhere. She just banged into the couch. How heavy is that thing? Play the radio.
I have no idea what I did with the remote.
If you saw the way she was looking at me right now, you're gonna start hysterical laughing when you watch this video back.
Hit the button. Now look. Now
She
this-
banged into the
this
couch. How's
tells
the
me a
couch? Is
story.
it still alive?
Watch this story. Look.
Happy New Year.
No, let's see.
Happy New Year.
Hurry, hurry. Drive the fire truck.
CaseyMae needs a license plate that says CaseyMae.
There's one over there. Listen.
She's in reverse.
No, don't hit the red button. It shuts it off. You don't want to shut it off.
Press your gas pedal, your gas pedal. Hit the gas. Hit the gas. What? Are you excited?
I could have sworn I put the remote inside.
Of course, you would lose it. Maybe it's in the trunk.
No. Just the plug is in the trunk.
Smart going, Daddy.
I can't.
You're genius, Daddy.
It literally smells
Say-
like the inside of a new car.
Good going, Daddy.
This is insane.
The car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.